In this video, we look back at the 1977 series Mind Your Language. We will revisit the stars of the series and know their original names and age. We will know how they look then and what they are doing now. So keep watching the video. George Camiller as Giovanni Capillo. George Camiller played Giovanni Capillo, an Italian student. He continued to act in various British TV shows and theatre productions. Then his age was 35. Now his age is 80. Zara Nutley as Gladys Thorpe. Zara Nutley portrayed Gladys Thorpe, a Cockney student. She made a few guest appearances in other TV shows but largely retired from acting after Mind Your Language. Then her age was 53. Sadly, she died in 2016 at the age of 92. Ricardo Montague as Juan Cervantes. Ricardo Montes played Juan Cervantes, a Spanish student. After the show, he continued his acting career and appeared in various TV shows and films. Then his age was 54. Sadly, he died in 2010 at the age of 87. Albert Moses as Ranjit Singh. Albert Moses portrayed Ranjit Singh, an Indian student. He had a long and successful career in British cinema and television. Then his age was 40. Sadly, he died in 2017 at the age of 79. Kevork Malkian as Ali Nadim. Kevork Malkian played Ali Nadim, a Turkish student. He has had a prolific career as a character actor in both film and television. Then his age was 34. Now his age is 80. Barry Evans as Jeremy Brown. Barry Evans played the role of Jeremy Brown, the English teacher. After Mind Your Language, he struggled to find significant acting roles and faced personal challenges. Then his age was 34. Sadly, he passed away in 1997 at the age of 53. Francois Pascal as Daniel Favre. Francois Pascal played Daniel Favre, a French student. After Mind Your Language, she continued to act in various television series and films. Then her age was 28. Now her age is 73. Tommy Godfrey as Sid. Tommy Godfrey portrayed Sid, the college caretaker. He had a long and successful career in acting, appearing in various TV shows and films. Then his age was 61. Sadly, he passed away in 1984 at the age of 68. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.